Hey guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You don't know who Diana is, you must don't have kids. I would literally play clips right now, but you know Diana and that family is like a multi-millionaire and I don't want to get demonetized. Naomi does not like boys because of Roma. But Roma, I like you. So when I bought it, Naomi wanted it, and I was like, girl, I'm trying it first for the channel. They got stickers for you to put on. I mean, all this plastic for $20, Diana. Look at the stickers on the back taped to it. What in the ghetto? Look at Roma. Hey, Roma, you my favorite. Y'all, all that effort for this. Well, everything comes like with plastic cover. It's a lot of plastic. So if you are very environmental friendly, it's even more plastic on the mirror. Now, I got a big face and big hands, and this is for Sonomi. I'm not doing it myself. I'm getting me a makeup brush. Y'all not gonna have me out here looking crazy. We're gonna take the purple and place it on the outer corner of my eye right here. We'll say this is kind of pigmented for little kids makeup. Come through, Diana. So what I'm doing now is taking the little Diana pink eyeshadow because I feel like it's very dark, and I'm just placing it in the corner of my eye with the little stick thing, and what I'm gonna try to do is blend this all out. Diana, where's the mascara for the girls though? But you know, some parents don't be wanting theirs. Sonomi wouldn't be wearing mascara, okay? She could wear this, but she can't wear mascara. Now I know why you didn't put no mascara in here. I love this nail polish so much. It doesn't smell bad. It dries down nicely. It's almost like glue. Why they don't make this for adults? Pick a color. Pink.
I want to work with yours.
Oh, you want to complicate it? You guys, look at this. Wow. This took me a while, honey. Looks like she'll need about 2 coats, but I needed like 6, I swear. What do you think of your nails?
Good.
Show your nails. Show your nails, girl. Girl, we twins, huh? So know me. Who's your favorite? Diana or Roma?
Diana.
You don't like Roma?
No.
Roma is your best friend. Here is the lip balm. So we just take a scoop of it and then we apply it. Let me get the spatula. Oh, this is giving complicated teas. Cupcake. This one is bubble gum. So I'm gonna just try for the cupcake like 2 drops.
And I'm gonna try the bubble gum.
Apparently this doesn't go in the microwave after reading the directions. You're supposed to take that little scoop plus like 3 to 5 drops and then put it in a pot. This is all I got, so now I gotta scrape. This is real giving complicated. And you know what? I am officially deducting the star. Diana, show love, Diana. And with that 1 scoop, this is all you get. So I don't know. I mean, I guess if you kind of tiny, this is cute for you. So let me apply some, because this is going to be our little beauty look for today. It's not really giving like cupcake flavor. I taste like no cupcake. It's giving hair grease. Oh my God, this is nasty. This tastes like Fabuloso. This is not bubblegum flavor. Okay. This tastes like hair grease. Didn't use L'Oreal oils. They went the cheap route. What it taste like? What it taste like?
They taste like hair skin.
Girl, I said the same thing. Does it taste like bubblegum?
Mm-hmm.
It does? Girl, it didn't taste like bubblegum to me. You sure you got taste buds? You sure? You know what? All this look needed was some mascara. And what y'all think? It's cute. Oh, Diana, you got me out here looking like I'm ready to go to the club. I'm just joking. I let Sonomi put a little tiny bit of eyeshadow. She actually did her little makeup because normally I do not let her wear eyeshadow out the house. She's popping too. Your eyeshadow. Oh, it looks cute, doesn't it?
Mommy, keep the cream.
Oh, mommy can't have dairy, girl. Mommy can't have dairy.
Try this one.
Okay. We got boba. What is this?
Watermelon.
No, the chamoy stick doesn't go inside. You don't suck through the chamoy stick. Y'all, he trying to suck through the chamoy stick. Y'all, he put the chamoy. He was having me suck the boba through this. No, you like this, then you drink the boba. Y'all, why am I teaching them? I'm on a diet and trying to teach them how to eat boba.
Watermelon and Cajun and lime.
You love Cajun.
Oh my God, I love this.
Y'all, the nails not
Best
holding
drink
up.
ever.
Y'all, the nails not holding up.
Sonomis.
I got 0 sugar. And no ice, honey. It wasn't even ice, but that's a good thing. So I gave Sonomi a look on your eyeshadow so they can see it. Okay, good girl. So that's her look. I mean, the Love Diana palette, the plastic palette. Girl, it worked. Sonomi botched it. It kept her busy for a very long time, but she botched it, but it worked. It got me a little pigmented, and Sonomi want to do my eyes so bad. So I'ma let her. Girl, I want a little bit of green. Put a little bit of green in mommy's eye. Okay, girl. Is it cute? Here, blend it. You gotta blend it with your hand. Blend it with your hand. Thank you, girl. What y'all think? Does it look dark? Hers keeps coming right off, so I think if you're like a rough, playful child, it comes right off. Then she got really satisfied and started pilling with it, started painting the table and pilling the table with it. You're a little more delicate like me. It ain't coming off. Oh, let me see her eye, girl. Let me see. Let me see. Is it cute? Is it cute?
And make it go they both colors to purple.
Okay, girl. Y'all, we have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So here are all my final thoughts on Love Diana or Kiss Diana kit that my child destroyed. Honey, destructive, can't have nice things. Take care of your things, please. You know, I don't want to drag a child, but I know she didn't create this set, so I'm a drag, but not really bad. I actually kind of like the set. I would say the nail polish is like peel off nail polish. This is like the most satisfying nail polish ever. It just like literally peels off your nails. So I like the nail polish. I love the eyeshadow. Look at my look. It is popping, girl. So I love the eyeshadow. Now the lip gloss is where they messed up. For me, now Sonomi did with her review, she said it tastes like cupcake and bubblegum. For me, it tastes like expired flavor oils and hair grease mixed with shampoo. Other than that, it kept Sonomi busy for hours destroying it. So I'm gonna give it Shandera's stamp of approval. I'm gonna give it a 4.3 out of 5 because it wasn't that bad. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.